Hello internet friends. It's been a couple weeks since I've posted a video, and actually I've been pretty busy with work and holidays and everything, but finally it's the long weekend, so let's make some progress. Opening a spruce box that I received a few days ago. I got my 1/8 and 470 set. When I first ordered that set, and I didn't know any better, I got like 4 5/32 bits, so I was missing a couple of them. So anyway, finally got that set, so now I can use that in the rivet gun. I also got my jet flex and my 3M fire barrier, so we'll probably use that in the next video. Here I am deburring the top of the firewall, just the edge, because it ships razor sharp and I didn't want to get cut, and just one pass on the Scotch-Brite wheel seemed to smooth it out. So now I won't cut open my fingers. I did get to go up to Monterey for work, and I flew into Oakland, so I got to spend a day last week checking out Andrew Kilroy's build, which is very informative. Of course, I forgot the whole reason why I went there was to grab a spare part from him. So, oh well, I have to go back. Airplanes are cool, so no sadness there. So I put together the firewall halves just to make sure everything fits together and make sure that the orientation is correct before I dimple the number 30 and number 40 holes here. And as you can see, I taped where it says do not rivet in the plans, so I would not, actually it says do not dimple, but you get the idea. Don't dimple where it says do not dimple. Put some tape there so you don't accidentally dimple. And then you're either trying to undo the mess you made or buying a new part. A couple of the dimples. Oh, let's talk about that. So there are some vertical dimples, and that's where you're going to, in section 35-8, if you want to read ahead, you're going to put the panel brace there. So you do dimple those as well. So there's only a handful where the battery box go where you do not dimple. And then the next step, it says, is to countersink this brace where you dimpled. So again, there's only like 6 holes that are going to go where the battery box is that you don't dimple or don't countersink. And the nifty trick that I learned here, and probably everyone else already figured it out, is you just need to countersink it a little tiny bit more. Sometimes you know, the countersink bit just doesn't want to bite into the metal if it's already been countersunk. Is you can get the deburring tool and just give it a couple of passes and make it a little bit deeper. So I figured that trick out in a little bit. Oh, there we go. Yep. So now you know. You can obviously use the 100-degree countersink or 100-degree deburring tool to just give yourself a little more depth to your countersink if your bit doesn't seem to be agreeing with you. I'm pretty excited to get this firewall together. One, because this is where the panel actually goes, and two, once that goes together and I get the skins on and the exhaust tunnel built, and then it's connecting the two halves of the fuselage together, and we'll all see the fuselage, right? So that's exciting. After that, then I can actually maybe put it on the rotisserie, and I could start wiring the fuselage. That would be cool. Unfortunately, then my car will be permanently outside until I get a hanger to put the rest of the finished parts in. Yeah, because I'm out of space. As you can see, I have too many bikes. Oops, my bad. Okay, and then I prime this piece because it's aluminum and it's going against a stainless steel firewall. If you want to come chat RVs, come join the Slack group. The link is in the description. Hope everyone had a great holiday, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.